Hey everybody, welcome to the stream. So how late am I though? Okay. Ooh, 15 minutes late. I'm sorry. I was having dinner and how y'all doing? So before I let me do the things. And I made a tweet that I'm gonna announce something next week, but the people on this stream are gonna be the first to know. I'm gonna share my camera in a bit, gonna move from that scene, but let me confirm if YouTube is receiving the stream because YouTube can be crazy when I let it go. Oh, it is. So interesting. Hmm, it worked. So let's confirm. So YouTube is up. Do I care about Twitch that much? I don't care about Twitch. So yeah, YouTube is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the comments to my other monitor so I can see what you all are saying. What is this? Let's see. Let me find. Let me if I could get. Okay, yeah, YouTube chat. Okay, chat is disabled. Did I disable? I didn't disable the chat. Why would I disable the chat? I need to confirm that it's me. Okay. All right. You all hang around while I do a security check in YouTube because for some reason they need to find out it's me. What ways to verify? Oh, okay. No, they can't do this to me right now. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, yeah. I need to go grab me YubiKey. Why would I need to do that? Oh, yeah. Give me a sec, guys. Let me see what's up. Okay, let me go grab my YubiKey. They need it. Do not go anywhere. Leave your comments. I'll see them in a bit. Alright. Okay. Kevin is back. Well, I really don't know what I well, but it's nice. I don't know what I have to do. I don't know what I did to YouTube. I didn't want me to verify. Right. Now I cannot find the goddamn UD. Find the key, find the key. Oh, yes, there you are. I could remove this one. Is it good? Can you hear me again? I had to take off the port. Maybe just to verify the goddamn thing. But it's good. We're back. So now I can pull the chat, pop the chat out, and then I drag the damn thing over here. Okay, cool. I like this. Move it over there. I'd be like, hello world. Yes, I could share my screen now. I think we're good. No, don't do that. And yeah, yeah, I think we could do screen share. How you all doing? Whoa. Okay. So yeah, welcome to the stream. Trying to stream this time Friday, and let's see how it goes really because probably gonna feel sleepy really soon. Is the stream still on? Why does it say welcome to our live show? I thought I gave it a title. Ay ay ay. Okay. So first things first, my little announcement. Um, I don't know if you all know. I let me put this in. Salescast.com, stack, mail. So I work on this mail project, which is what I use for sending emails, right? And the boring stack. And anyone that uses sales can use it. So to yesterday, I so again, I made this GitHub sponsorship tier. Sponsors. Yeah. And I made a tier for email partner, right? Because open source needs to be sustainable. I like working on sales mail. So I wanted to like attract a email provider that I like and care about to be like an email partner for just a one-time sponsorship. So we got our first sponsor. You want to guess who the email provider is? Any guesses? Leave it in the comments on YouTube or on X. So let me gonna hear your guesses before I will announce it. So this is really good because of that, I'm gonna do a couple of things. Gonna add the logo. No more sponsorship visibility, right? I'm really grateful for the brand sponsoring, and then I'm gonna add them as transport to the docs, to the sales mail doc as well. So yeah. So what are you all guessing? Let me see. Let me see. Am I logged in on Twitter on Edge? Please let me be logged in. Please let me be logged in. Okay, I am logged in. Okay. So any guesses who the sponsor is? Any guesses? Any guesses? Am I even on the wait, hold up. Let me see YouTube.com. Oh, I could edit the thing. Nice. Um, what did I call it? What did I call it? So today we're gonna build a waitlist. What the heck? Building a waitlist with the boring JavaScript stack. Yeah. Oh, I could change it here to the title. Do I need to tweet this? People already know I'm live, right? Okay, probably need to post this. Okay. So let's build. Oh, well, if I. Oh, that was all wrong. Let's build. Why can't I type? With the orange. Did I type the waitlist correctly? Waitlists. All right, all right. So there are no guesses. Okay. I am going to move this out, move it here, put it here. So we monitor the, well, okay, when that's not fun. Now I can't see the chat. Picture in picture. No, back to tab. How do I see the chat now? Off. This is, I'll probably just put it up. Okay, cool. You put this on bottom. I like it. So let's see what's happening on YouTube. Okay, YouTube's good. Okay, so let's unveil the sponsor. I probably should show it in the repo because we have the repo in there. Says hook. So yeah, are you ready? So this is the repo for sales hook mail. And if you scroll all the way, did you see it? Did you see it? Whoa, what up, what up, what up? My my thing, my picture in picture was way picture in picture, right? Yes, much better. I like it. Wait a minute. Let me see. And there's this weird thing. There's this weird thing Riverside does where in the canvas, like where it's showing me what I see. It seems it's not aligned, but when I look at the stream, it is. So I always have to confirm if I'm seeing what I want to see. But anywho, so yeah, back to the sponsor, Mail Trap. Uh, Probably toggle system preference. So just gonna toggle the preference for now because I am using probably. Is there a way to detect the logo type to use? So Mailtrap is the first partner for sales mail, and I'm really, really excited because, again, supporting an open sorcerer like myself, it means the world to me. So thank you, Mailtrap. I'm going to write docs on it and also going to do like a video that it's going to be, of course, sponsored by Mailtrap on how to like do transactional email in your app. So if you want to do any of that, just go check them out. Okay. Um. So yeah, that is the unveil. The announcement is scheduled to go out Monday. Did I schedule it or just type it? Any of the above, but it is going out. Um. So yeah, back to dark mode. So what I want to do, if we'll check, um, I should have highlighted that. Did I highlight it? The announcement for um. Oh my God, I did not announce it. I did not highlight it. Okay, let's go find it. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Where are you? Yeah, and by the way, if you didn't catch the TKYT number 64, is it number 64? 65 with Lee Rob from Vercel. You should definitely go check it out because it's dope. Like if you do Next.js React, you'd love it. All right, so you go check that out. So moving on. I am looking for something. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, for God's sake. Come out where you are. This is the bad boy. Is my network going bad? So yeah, we're building a wait list, right? Which is one of the is the first thing on that what to build into Ascent, which is the new boring JavaScript stack template. Melo, gave you authentication. Now Ascent is going to be your next BFF when you do SaaS. So what makes a good wait list? Right? Like that's where to start because the plan is before, let's say you have an idea, you got a domain, right? You wanna because you need to validate the ideas, and of course you make your announcement. Now you need to get qualified leads, like and people who give you their email are qualified lead because they really opt into like, okay, yeah, I want this stuff when it's out. Talk to me about it. Yeah. So that's basically what a waitlist is for. And I think there are even a couple of sites out there that let you get waitlist. I think I saw a couple, but the sort of waitlists that I kind of have been admiring lately are the ones by Basecamp, 37 Signals folks, and Laravel. I think I don't know who influenced who, but they have similar. So this is the kind of waitlist that interests me now. Uh, uh, nightwatch.laravel.com, is it? Yes. So nightwatch.laravel.com. So now look at this. Okay, of course, do not worry about the thing going on in the background, but look at the essence of a waitlist. The essence of a waitlist is this box right here. This box, because you want to get their email, right? And then, of course, you're going to tell people what they're going to be signing up for. So early access 2025, I really like this thing going on. Of course, your logo in here. And then we'll have a night wash, tell people this is your first class monitoring, right? Oh, that's good. That's good. And then you tell them more. And if you can, you show things. And you could put, there was an announcement done. If you don't have that CTA, don't do that. And then you get to, okay, okay, maybe not a fan of the animation, but you get to see these texts this style of waitlist sort of tells me that whoever have this waitlist on paid attention, right? So, and I think they did the same for Lava Cloud. So if we check Lava Cloud, like you see do you see the pattern? The same thing, the heading, and then the copy, and of course the animation. Do we want the animation? Let me see. Does it play again? Thank God it doesn't play again. So, and I like this frequently asked question. Then of course you, the maker, get to do this. I like this. So this is the style of waitlist you're gonna have in a sense. And then this. So this is the main thing. So now I'm thinking we are going to definitely need to have a waitlist table. So let's keep the email, and then you could export it when it's time to tell people, hey, the stuff is out, go. Because of course, when people sign up for the waitlist, I don't think they sign up for your app. They're just opting in to be. It's more like a newsletter, an email list, and then you send them emails, right? So I think I like it, and this is what I want. And of course, when you have it, you have the code, you could do whatnot. But this is a really good, and I like the fact that the box follows you. So waitlist just have the box up here, right? But I like this one. So let's see how many percent is this on the screen. Give or take 80. Is it 80? 80-ish, 90-ish. Not all the way down, just here. And then we have this I like, okay. This this glassy thing. Don't mind if I steal this. I like it so much. What you all think? Hello, girl. Okay. Is it still pixelated? I pixelate it when I want to um like when I want to maybe type or do something that I don't want you all to see it because I don't know, but I it's under my control. The problem is, Bernard, it should be not pixelated anymore. Hey, coding gimmick. I am working on I'm working on this assigned waitlist. Today I'm just spitballing, and we want to build a waitlist template that if you have a SaaS idea, you MPS create sales SaaS idea, create SaaS idea dash dash React dash dash ascent. Yeah. And then you could just deploy it immediately. Okay, no, change a couple of things in the waitlist then. So on your greatsas.com, it will be the waitlist until when you're ready to switch to like the app when you've built it, right? But I think the first things to do, because I want to have opinions that I think would help you your SaaS a little bit to be successful. So not just like give you the landing page. You need a good SaaS needs a good waitlist, right? So we are shopping for ideas, not really shopping, because I kind of like this one and this these are the ones. So this, um, I don't think the waitlist for Campfire is on anymore. Is it on? No, once.com. Let's check once.com. There should not be any waitlist, but once also follow this format, this CEO's message format that I like. Okay, it's not open up. Yeah, so if we'll check, my God, if we check the borrowing stack, so we're using the borrowing stack coding gimmick. The borrowing stack is made sales. This is what is in the stack. what's in the stack. So what's in the stack? This is what you get. So you could check. We're not using Laravel. We are using Sales and React. So the boring stack supports React, Vue, and Svelte. Like you see here, we have Tailwind CSS and Inertia. I can't wait to get my hands on Inertia 2.0. Then sales give us authentication, authorization, waterline, WebSocket support, file upload. If you haven't seen my video on file uploads, do check it out. Like it's so much a breeze to upload files to um in the boring stack. It's so easy. I did a video for it. You could go check it out later. Don't play, don't play, don't play, don't play. Yes, the boring stack has an ORM, right? So, and that gives you support for database. And the way we like it over here is that, like I always say, I do not like a stack that has an opinion on your database. Database is personal things. I don't want to box you in, but whatever database you want, if I from the get go, when you start developing your app, we don't want you to set up a database because you don't really know what you need at the time. So you use something called sales disk that come built in. So it's based on NEDB, a very nice in-memory or file system database sort of ish. So you just set up your database as if, yeah, it's so we use Waterline. I think Waterline is older than Prisma, so it's the first party ORM in sales. Right, so and we have adapters for Postgres, MySQL, MongoDB, SQLite. I'm still working on it. It's it soon because I think SQLite is a very good choice for database. If you want, but all my apps run on Postgres, and you could see the config here. This is how the config works. Just npm install sales Postgres, then pass in your connection string and Bob's your uncle, and then you could do waterline queries, right? So what we want to do now, hey Tina, how you doing? Thank you for joining. So what we want to do, um, so yeah, so what do you all think about this? Well, where is Nightwatch? Nightwatch. So what do I kind of like the Nightwatch thing. So that one is too bright. So this is the format I want for a waitlist. Ascent. I don't know. I'll come up with a. I probably won't come up with any logo. I will just use a fancy text for here. This section. Well, do not move. Go back here. Then but I couldn't find it. Oh really? You should try. You should try render coding gimmick. I host my database on render. Render is really cool. I'm not saying because they're sponsoring a course I'm working on, but I've been using renders for when I moved from Heroku, render was my new home. And you could see they even have flexible Postgres plan. So if you want to check them out, and I think there are other providers as well that give you managed Postgres and also managed MySQL. Right? Yeah, for sure. I would put the link here. So back to the thing. Hopefully, I could get some code done today, but they just script the idea. No, 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 it's not sponsored. Render is not sponsoring this video. Okay, Render did sponsor this, but see, there's something I have to. The more I get more people that get aware of me. I've literally had a fight with someone over me talking about the product, and they thought it was sponsored, but I just used the product so much, like and I just made a tweet about it, and they were like, "Okay, this is sponsored," and I was like, "How did you know? It's not." So I think that's more like especially when you have the clause, "This is not sponsored." So when I sponsor the stream, it's just what I use. Okay, so yeah, got it. So let's see. I want to see how this work. I probably so I'm guessing that the of course built with Tailwind, by the way. I'm guessing that this would send to their own database, but let's find that out. I'm gonna give what are my email? Yeah, gmail.com. And so let's see if it goes to their thing. Okay, you made a fetch request. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's live wire thing. Huh. Let me see the payload. Okay. So it's okay. So let's assume that it's a waitlist table because that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do a waitlist table, which you could have for so the waitlist is gonna have ID and email, right? Because that's the only thing we're capturing here, right? So waitlist table with ID and email. Then let's see data success, email success. Wait, success false? What happened? I did it say I don't know. I don't speak live wire very well, but it went through. Okay. And they used Ajax requests. This sort of pages I probably wouldn't want JavaScript here, but again, I probably would do it anyways. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, that's so this page is written in LiveWire. All right. Okay, I think that works. That works. That's good enough. Yeah. So our page is going to have this, the header, whatever text we come up with. This probably going to be optional because I don't think did they do it for cloud? So they didn't do it for cloud. So they didn't have like an image for cloud, but they should watch the trailer. But since you have the code, you could add whatever you want. But we're going to give you like a black canvas with just title, body of text, then the wait list, and then we send it to. How did they do this stuff though? It's supposed to be an image, is it? So it's an SVG. How do we get to an SVG? Uh, okay, you could replace it with yours anytime. Then the frequently asked question. This should be normal detail. Should be HTML detail. Okay, it's not HTML detail. Yikes. Okay, so they are using Alpine. Hmm. I probably would use HTML detail and just style it. I think that's the decision I would make there. So I do not want to use, I probably use an EJS template for this. So now let's get into the code. Let's start scaffolding stuff. Let's see what we can build today. How much time do I have left? So if there any questions so far, folks? Are you guys asking anything? So we're gonna do warp. So gonna go to the borrowing stack. I'm gonna definitely use Copilot. But not here. This one. Okay. So last time on stream, I moved to a proper mono repo with npm workspaces. So we have packages to two mono repo-ish directory, and you have templates. So templates, this is what we have: Melo React, Melo Svelte, and Melo Vue. Now we're gonna have Accent React. Gonna have Accent React, and I think all I have to do is copy. Oh wait, hold up a second. Um, so let's do git flow feature start. You have 3 and 1 different commits. 3 and 1 if I come usually git pull if you want to integrate. The last time I did try git pull, I had a very interesting mesh conflict, but let's see. Yeah, Bob's your uncle. So let me fix this mesh conflict. This way is so let's why I do that. The classic rebase versus merge. You all on stream. What's your take? I think mine is set to rebase. And now I have rebase with issues. So 325 conflicts in package.log. Why the heck would you have that? Okay. Okay. Turns out it wasn't that hard. You just had two files that I needed to base. Um, close this one. Close Copilot for now. I don't need Copilot. Do we? So now we could do it flow. We should start add waitlist. Add ascent waitlist. Yes. No, ascent React waitlist. So the cool thing is I just have to build the one for React and then I just put them to put it to view and svelte and svelte. Okay. So now I could copy because Mellow React will be the base. So now I copy this and rename it to Ascent React. Cool. And change a couple of things. Ascent React. Build your Nexus application. I don't know what it's going to be, but let's have that there for now. And then, so what is the color theme I should use for Ascent? Um, so that's what I'm going to say. So you like what I'm doing right now is literally how you going to use the templates. But of course, you're just going to do NPS create sales. Why I copied it like this is because I don't want to scaffold a new project because scaffolding a new project is going to do a couple of things, especially this part. What's the name? Um, Session. So if we look at Ascent React session, you look at this part, this secret. So we always have a session secret that's generated specifically for your app. That if you override it in production, it logs out all your users, making it to login. So this is it's like a placeholder string that when you want the CLI to, is going to replace it for you. So if I want NPS create sales now, it's going to replace it, and I don't want to do that. This is a template after all. Yeah. So the next thing I'll do is so the color for wait, do I have to add this? Oh my god. City green gods, 60 boring stack. Okay. npm init workspace templates. No. Okay. I don't. Wait, hold up. Did I do package JSON? Okay, yes, I did. I did. So now if I do npm init, rw templates, ascent react, git repository, I don't know, no author, License with MIT. Yes. Good. So now I could run npm run dev w ascent react. Okay, now we have that. To CZ. Okay, I haven't created a new. There should be. Is there like a boring stack thingy? Boring stack. I don't want to do that right now. So let's just use a global one. 307. Ooh, I broke the word. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh, yes. Do I have to? Do I? Why? Why did he die? Do I need to run npm i-w ascent react? Did I need to do that? That's weird. Maybe I do. I did need to do that. Okay. Whoa. Where did I break? And where is it coming from? Boring stack. Let's confirm if i-w Melo react. No, not this one, not this one. I want to see if the error is also here too. Okay. There's an error there too. How about view? -w Melo view. Okay. Okay. All right, cool. That's fun. Where's this error coming from? Custom index.js. Custom index.js. Ascent React. No, not this one. Index.js. So let's see. Lost shared. Sales initial. Okay. How is that a problem? Oh, okay, hold up. Do I need to start anything? Okay, I probably think I know what's up. This should be a database problem. Okay, yeah, database should not be either. Flow shared. Hmm. Let's take that out for a little bit. Let me see. This is weird. Wait. Please don't tell me it's what I think it is. Okay, water. That's cool. Let me do CD templates. Ascent React. Please don't be what I think it is. Okay. Okay, that's not a problem either. Coordination not be defined. Really? Okay, this is fun. Sales I'll see. Package JSON. Did my how did that mess up everything? Hmm. Wait. Okay, cool. Sales with inertia is not defined. Did that remove? Wait a minute. Packages. I think I might have messed up the world with this monorepo setup. Oh my god, no, no. Yeah, my gut says I have definitely messed up something with the monorepo. Um, oh, what is this? So let's say npm I initial sales -w. Okay, cool. Why is sales initial not defined? Hmm. Let's see. Sales L dash for goals. Oh, I see. Now I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. We're not starting. Oh, I sent React LS. Yeah, I knew it started too fast. Oh well, seems my mono repo is messing up this entire thing. Probably gonna not make this stuff mono repo. I don't know why. Um, I wanted to be able to run. Yeah, it's still messing up with the thing. Let's ask Koso. No, not Koso. That's what is it? Let's see. How do I remove the mono repo projects in templates? So, personally, I cannot make. I don't know. For some reason, it's actually messing. It's messing up everything. Okay, so let's accept that. And okay, let's see. It should fail, right? Yeah, it's not running. See, templates are sent. PM run dev. This is not running either. Remove the Do I need to run any other commands? Remove it completely. Okay. Yeah, it has this one. Okay, probably that should fix me up. Oh, that was supposed to be fun, but I'm sorry. Yeah, so now let's install it again. Oh well, complexities, huh? Dude, do not play. Don't do that. So yeah, I was gonna have the convenience of running npm run dev dash w ascent react and it runs, but apparently it did not work today this time. I might probably try how to get that set up properly where it could still let me run. Cause right now it's not working. So yeah, 151 folks viewing. You all are not chatting though. And while you're here, while we wait for npm to do his thing, if you like the boring stack project, please go give it a star on GitHub. I would appreciate that. I wonder why that didn't work though. See, because of the global. Wait. Mm, it's. I don't want to deal with it right now. So let's check YouTube. How many people? Why is it taking forever? So why it's doing that, right? Let's be doing other things. I think what I would want to do is probably just maybe, yeah, it's, yeah, just the packages. Then I close this and I want to just open CD templates, Ascent React, then editing code. Yeah, I just want to focus on Ascent React. Then if we go to the goddamn tailwind. So this is the color for, hmm, so let's come up with colors. Give me color, update the brand. So what color would go? So since Mellow is purple, what color should be Ascent? What color do you guys think? Hmm? Whoa, this is gonna mess up my flow today. So while that it's going on, let's do sub routes. So here I would, yeah. So yeah, we could do view home. Why not? So, but for view home, we are going to comment this out and then we're going to return page waitlist. It's going to be our waitlist page. And here we're going to do pages. We're going to have waitlist.jxs. And if I could remember everything. Yeah. So, and I'm not using any, I probably should use a UI component, but I want to leave it as generic as possible. But this is going to be really, really involved. So we're going to, should we use a UI component for this? Because we're going to be needing a couple of those. We're going to need for the dashboard for everything. Is it time to install one of those? But let's keep going. Export default wait list. Oh no, wait list. And that one. Return. I am your wait list. Cause yes, I'm one of those folks that like functions. Okay, the bad boy is good. So if the bad boy is good, then if we do sales there, okay. And I think I probably need to do this one too, and then we run npmi for this one. Oh, mono repo. So this should be the wait list. So you could see how we are navigating, right? We have routes with view home. So by default, once your wait list is done, all you'd have to do is just delete this one. So probably leave a comment here. So let's comment after you are done with the wait list. After your wait list, after your wait list, after your product is ready. Okay, your SaaS. Okay, yeah, just spitballing, guys. Okay, there's nothing is set in stone, but this is what's going to happen here. So by default, it's going to be this, and then you comment after your product is done. But again, I'm thinking, should should I use this page, or we do a view waitlists.js, right? So I think probably this one might be better. So yeah, so we could do sales generates action home view waitlist. Okay, view waitlist. Response type initial, and here we do the page waitlist. I think this is maybe better because the home page might have a couple of things already. So there probably be no need to do it like this. So let's leave it the way it is. So the change, all you need to do is, yeah, so much more better like this. So now you just have to comment, yeah, to save the home page. So it would save the home page. So this will save the waitlist, and this will save the home page if your home page have more business logic. So I think I like this API better than the other one. So once your waitlist is over, you comment this one, or you could delete it anyways if you want. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. I think I like it. Um, so yeah. Oh, why does it? I see this works in the click to the act to the component works in React, but I don't think it works in Vue. So that's fun. So if that's done, please work now because I am okay. Yeah. So you see, this is, I don't know what's going on with the thing, but I definitely, yeah. So we're in business. Waitlist is on. Yeah. But this one, I don't think it needs any UI library, right? For the waitlist. I think we could survive with it just being this. But so now let's create a new model. I would have to delete the, let me, what is this? Yeah, oh, I would have to find, okay, cool. So this would be like the show, I'm sure scaffold, ascent react. Ascent ascent. Ooh, okay. Et voila, good. And so now we will have, so we just scaffolding things. We're gonna have a sales generate model waitlist. So waitlist, dude. Waitlist. Okay, cool. So what's gonna be in our waitlist? So first of all, let's look at models. How am I doing models today? I oh, I see. Ah, so yeah, in my apps, right, I have ID, which is the number increment, and I have public ID, which is the one. I don't know if I'm going to do that for this one, but let's keep going. waitlist. Okay, cool. So here, probably not gonna need any of these. Just gonna have the email. Yeah, so waitlist just gonna have just the email, right? So if we test this, cell C, don't lift, and if we do a waitlist, waitlist dot create email Calvin Mauritian. But do we want to okay, let's keep it simple. We're not going to verify all that stuff. You could add all those logic if you want. Okay, so we have a wait list, but that's the only thing we need in the wait list. So when the user click the button, we're going to have, we'll call it, make a post request to waitlist. So we're going to have slash waitlist that takes a post request, and then that will, what do we even call the action? Probably so. I'm thinking I should have this waitlist should be in its own controller. Waitlist, then view waitlist. Yeah, browse waitlist, view waitlist, and waitlist routes. Then here will be posts. No, so posts. So let's not post to the home. Yes, let's post to waitlist. So should we call it add email? What? Join waitlist. Yeah, let's call it join waitlist. Why hell? The hell? Join waitlist. Why not? So it's this because we have not created sales. What's that? Sales generate action waitlist, join waitlist. Cool. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, so this is the, so two actions, one to view the waitlist, then the second one to just post to the waitlist. And yeah, I think that's all we need for here. So you could see how we scaffolded put the actions and then and this, let me see my policies. Policies, users dashboard. Okay, yeah, it's good. Of course, we're going to touch this in a bit, make it good. So first, let's update the brand with another set color that that you think is great for a SaaS, for a full stack SaaS template called Whitley, called Ascent. Or I could just, I probably should just pick another color from the boring JavaScript stack. What's the other color? Um, Dominus Calvin. I think routes. item config. So we have the green. Should we use green? We already used the purple. Pink. Accent is pink. No, accent doesn't sound pink to me. Brown. No. Brown. Brown. Mm, mm. Should we? Let's see what. Okay. Let's see what this one does. And all you have to do is change. All you have to do is change the brand color to match your needs. Mm. Okay. So hey, voila. Um, wait list. Let's see. Class name, of course. I always forget that. Text brand. Okay, he looks sexy. He looks good. Let's see how that goes. Uh, I don't hate it. I think it's okay. So, I would. So then let's start building out this page. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Wow. Waitlist, ascent. Let's say join waitlist. So here you go to put your change it to your brand name. I need to make it easy to you to edit put in your video first to know when we launch. So let's let's see what whoosh. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. Do you all think we should ship this? Well, it's not bad. It's 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 not that bad. Copilot said we should ship that. What did he even do? Ah, Copilot. I wish it was that easy. Yes, be the first to know when we launch. You see, literally, hear me out. This is what Copilot see people do. What the heck is this? Like, how do I know what I'm joining the waitlist for? For Christ. It's one of the reasons why I really hate um Nightwatch. Okay, I don't hate Nightwatch. Like, hit the generic waitlist thingy. Like, look at this one. This is much more detail, but Copilot know that that's what people do for waitlist. But this is what we want. At least we want something cool like this. We're going to come up with a fictitious story for what Ascent is, right? Like what the SaaS Ascent does, and just or not even really, just put in what Ascent is, but as a SaaS that you could customize later. Oh well, Copilot, sorry, but that's not what we're doing today. Uh, I will keep this. I don't hit that one, but every other thing's got to go. Yeah, cool. Join waitlist. Let me see what they did. Okay, they didn't do join waitlist. They just do live a night watch. So cool. TBGS Ascent, which of course you change to your brand name. TBGS Ascent, cool. And then okay, see they didn't even change the favicon yet because of course they are prototyping. This is fun. And then we have, so this should be your logo, but I'm just going to put the accent string there. So let's do header and put accent and do class name, text, center. Oh, my copilots, I don't need you yet. we would talk later. And then we have a center. Let's do text. Let's do font line. Is it text large Excel? Let's see for Excel. Okay. Text brand. Font board. Yeah. Then okay. Let me see how it looks in responsive check. Okay, looks cool. Looks cool. Let's start from mobile. I like to do these things mobile first, and I'm gonna focus on this one because here I probably oh no, was here. Then I split this. Nightwatch.com. So yeah. I don't know how I feel about the purple though, but the pink, purple and pink. But let's see. So what do we call this? Give it a tagline. Let's see. Send is a SaaS template for the JavaScript stack. Give me a tagline. Heck no, definitely not. Okay. P fictitious because why not? Oh, okay. This would be padding on margin top. Just 12. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, I see. Mm. You know what? I'm just gonna copy this for now. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Let me think. Let me see how this is structured. Okay, so no header. This is a div. What is this? Okay. Okay. So they use a div. So I think, yeah, I'll need to work on a copy for this. Probably going to do this off. But I think, yeah, I like what I have. So we did make the, because there's nothing in the waitlist for now. Join waitlist. So I am going to work on the design. So this will take in the email. It's going to be string, max length, to be max length 200 characters. Don't. Success should be a redirect. Response type, redirect. Uh, join waitlist. And when we will have an error, to like maybe okay bad requests, so we could have like a bad request. Okay, yeah. So if the email is invalid for some reason, throw a bad request over. So just email. So here, well, what did I do? Why why does it hit me? Did I remove something I'm not supposed to remove? Bad requests, email. Oh shit. Okay, cool. That's why it hit me. Okay, cool. Here we could, yeah, I wait list or create, intercept, unique, huh? Unique? Not just unique though. So here we're good. Unique. Do I want to intercept? So intercept for any error, then we do the thing. Let's make it as safe like so right now. Then we are going to just throw in a form of which we're gonna make better. So on submit, um, whoa, dude, join waitlist. Then here it's gonna be impute, type email, and we're gonna put a button, join waitlist, just make sure everything is all good. And then here we're gonna do function. Yes, Lenny can get the bad request directly, but I'm gonna still do a couple of things to it. Ew. No, dude, no. So I'm gonna do a couple of things to it because I want to be able to send an error back. What is this? Either prevent default. Then here we could do what we want to do. We need form initial. Use form, and then we could do uh if I remember the things. Okay, cool. I don't remember a couple of things. Email, this is it. Then we do the post. I probably want to spread the form now. And then we could do form.post, post into waitlist. That's it. Yeah. Then what else do we need? Yeah, we need to set the data. Let me see if I could type this off from memory. Uh, on change. If I could get this, I am a React bro. Okay. Set data, email, e.target.value. Yes, yes, yes. Am I good? That should be it, right? Then do we need? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. I don't remember all of it, but that should be close. Do we need to set value? Okay. Oops, I broke the word. Join waitlist is not defined. Join waitlist is not defined. Join waitlist. Yep, I definitely broke the word. Trying to guess all this. Let me um so let's go to Mellow React and look at login because this form const disable function submit e dot. Yeah, wasn't that what I did? How come it's undefined, dude? It was the okay. Oh yeah, I got to pass in the value. Pass in the value. Yeah, I was almost correct. I really don't know what's wrong with my Apple Music. Anytime I take off my headset and put it back on, it just come on and it pisses me off. I always want to watch you coding game. I always like to see how you figure stuff out and put things together. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You and me both see this. It takes a lot of bravery to do this, but come on, why the hell not? So hold up. This value dot stuff. How come it doesn't like join wait list? Did I break it? On submit. It doesn't like join wait list. Why doesn't it like join wait list? Why doesn't it like join wait list? Oh, okay, cool. We're in business. So now, mm, so let's see. Remember I told you that we don't need a database yet, but it's we have a database. So we have it in local DB. You could see no. So there's something I because I'm old school. Um, if you go to waitlist, by default, sales is going to do the whole singular thing. But okay, for this one work, right? But I think this one, so we don't want waitlist, one waitlist. So we could see this user. I don't know why the user is there, but I wanted to show this where you could wait. I didn't change this for Mellow. Yeah. Probably will change it. I have this pet peeve of making sure my database tables are plural. So we're going to do this for this one. Users, but so yeah, when I saw that single, I just determined okay, but that works because it's a single wait list. You could see the thing I entered before is all here. So sales just make it easy that you don't really need to have a database, but the ORM queries work as if this database. So when you're ready, when you're good, you just go to data store, configure your database, and Bob's your uncle. You don't need to change any application code. It just work. Right. So let's test this. I think this is where we're going to draw the curtain if it works. I want to kill me server. That's why not. Okay, because I did some backend change. I could so I currently there's something I need to a new issue. Lenny, you could create that issue for me. So when you run npm run dev, it runs using node watch, but node watch is sort of like watching the entire file system. So even when I make changes to files that's supposed to hot reload, like components, it restarts, and that sucks. So I think pretty sure there should be like a filter in node watch where be like, okay, don't watch files in assets. Yes, so that I don't refresh. So we should do that, Lenny. So if we come here now, Uh, we put ko at hey.com. Why the heck did it just refresh on me? Okay, it submit, but why did it refresh on me? Why the heck did it do that? Network. Why would you do that? So okay, yeah, and the emails will be unique. So we try to put the email again. It's going to cry. Please don't crash. Yeah, bad request. Boom, because we didn't handle the thing. Bad request. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So bad request. So we could use inertia, our own custom logic, so that we'll send like a wait, no. Do we want to tell the user the email is already entered? Is there any security implications for doing that? I don't know. But yeah, so this work, the happy path work, looks ugly, but you get it. You have a wait list that you could export to your, I don't know, wherever you send emails. So yeah, that's all I want to do right now though. And I did not put us I did I didn't put an OBS scene. Do I have an OBS scene for just my talking head? I don't have an OBS scene for just my talking head. Classic. So but but regardless. So yeah, that's it for this. So we made a couple of progress. I would what do we do? What do we do? I touched um so let's do some semantic comments. First of all, this one I'm going to discard it because I don't really have. I'm going to make that change later. So we could do it at basic waitlist page. Um, this should be like a show. Is it? If it's change brand color. I don't know if I like this pink though. I'm gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna change it. But let's go. Let's keep making progress. This is and um out waitlist roots, and then we could do things and waitlist model. Then we could yeah. So this we could do add actions for waitlist feature. Yeah. Then I could push the bad boy. Push the bad boy. Yeah. With this stuff. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Okay, not really. I'm good. So we had 201 views on X, which is dope. Did I abandon YouTube? No. Celine is still there. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna keep working on this. So maybe the next Friday it's gonna look all better because I'll be working on behind the scene. Then we're gonna pick up wherever I stop behind the scene. We do it in person. All right, it's gonna clean up stuff, make it look more pretty, you know. And then the waitlist feature should be good. They'll move on to other things. Like I want to get quickly to Teams because that's gonna be a learning curve. I've never built Teams before. But who knows? Need it now. So yeah. Um um borrowing stack. So if you don't know, so if you're new here, this is what we're working on. We're building a new template for the borrowing stack. This is the borrowing stack. Let's you ship battle tested. Let's just build products with battle tested technologies already without you changing the trends, just build stuff. Give it a star on GitHub. really helps. Ooh, we're for 429. Let's get to, so there are 201 folks in this stream. If you all go star, if you like what you see, we're going to get to 600, and that would be crazy. I don't know if we're going to get up to 1,000 before the end of the year, but we'll never say never. Yes. Yeah, you all go give it a star. That's the link. So we're gonna hang out for a little bit more. If you have any, you all have anything you want to talk about. But this was fun. Running into that mono repo bug, I hate it. But I'm probably just gonna leave the templates not to be mono repos because they really aren't. I just wanted that convenience of running the. So yeah, not gonna work with the convenience. But I'm gonna remove that, and then this is fun. So any questions anywhere? I don't know if you all could chat on X. Didn't I rename this stuff? Oh my god. Building a waitlist in the boring JavaScript stack. Yeah, better. So are you all starting the project already? Let me see. Refresh. Yes, Lenny, just the same way. It's a labor of love. The same way we did Melo for the three, we're gonna do it for view and React, view and Svelte, but we're starting with this time. Last time, last templates will need to pay for the boring stack. So if you want like a bare boom minimum, you use Melo. But if you are doing a SaaS, you use the opinions in Ascent to get you there. So after that's done, we call it done. Like once Ascent is done, we have Ascent and Melo as well. So yeah, we're gonna build for the three. And in case you, yes, it is a labor of love. It's so like I can't tell you the number of times I've been like, you know what? Leave it. I'm just gonna build for one framework because it's just too much work. But let's have it. So the whole idea of the boring stack is not to box you. So I don't want you to be like, oh, I have to use React. But the top three, React, Views, Felt, whatever, at least one of these should tickle your fancy. I know JavaScript devs have like options, but please do not come and be like, I want for solid or Angular. No, it's not happen. Three is all I can give. You take it. Yes, that's the gift you give it. So who is going to start this? I want to see 4:30 before we go. So someone go give it a star. Make it 4:30. Really, like I am I'm beside myself at the number of stars. It's like I always say, this is my most starred project ever. And it's really dope. Okay, so yeah, let's see the 4:30 before we go there. Do I want to talk about anything else before we leave? Yeah, if you have not seen the file upload video, please go check it. I put a lot of love in doing that. And I also like wrote the documentation. Um, which is here. So everything you would ever need in file upload in both sales and the boring stack is all there. Everything. Like I'm really proud of this one. What the heck did I do? Proud of this one. And so there's a video, you watch it. And like people always ask, like, okay, how do you upload file? Like sales, I've had file uploads for like forever. I just had to, do what I do and sprinkle a little bit of love here and there. Yeah. Yes, Lenny. Anytime. So this is sometimes when there's a deficit in the ecosystem on like because someone was saying today like sales is great but there's no resource. Like I really want to cover it on and I have covered a lot. So if you go to the blog blog.salesguys.com. Right. If you go to the blog, you see like since for all the way back in 2020, I've been writing article. Like this one is one of my favorites, like marketing for sales actions to actions to understanding policies and best practices, understanding routes, how one way to organize sales route. I think this is not me. Yeah. So this is a sales user for this one. It's cool dope. Then understanding sales helpers, I love helpers. So there's a lot of resources, like just like people, I don't know, maybe they don't really know much about this. Like I've written a couple. And then the boring stack dogs just like with the guides. Really this one. It's just like file upload. If you just Google sales file upload, this should come out. And Cloudflare how to, in the video I was calling it D2, how to D2. I don't know why D2 was in my mind. But the upload to these places blew my mind because Skipper S3 might have not been updated in a while because it works. And Cloudflare how to and Digital Ocean Spaces are relatively new. But it was so mind blowing to see that Skipper S3 still worked. All I need to do was just pass in this, and because S3 how to and spaces they're compatible with S3 API, it was just a breeze to work with. Just I was like, sales is future proof, or is it? I don't know. Like sometimes I feel like, oh, this part of the framework have not been touched in a while, but when you use it currently, it's still mwah, chef's kiss. Yeah. Lenny, if you want your article, pitch me an idea. Pitch me an idea. Send me a notion. Send me a markdown. If it's good, it's there. Right. So just say send me a DM. We don't have any publishing format now, but hey, we don't need one. We YOLO in it. Just send me a DM, give me your title, then send me a markdown, and it goes live, and I announce it. If I, all good, yeah. Yeah, and so the local file system thing with skipper disk, because again, sales is awesome. We don't want you to be like, oh, what provider should I use? Okay, how do I get my API keys and blah? No. You don't have to do all of that. Mm-mm. Just sales hook upload, you install it, and you start sending stuff. Start sending stuff. It's just mwah. And there's my little hook. Where's the bad boy for multiple uploads? Mm. So this hook, let's geek out on the hook a little bit, shall we? So super for S3 and looking for was super winner. Yeah, right. So I I created an npm package just to keep the namespace of skipper out too because I thought I had to write a new skipper adapter for R2, but turns out I don't need to. So I was thinking about the problem like, dude. So I have to write for digital spaces, digital ocean spaces, and R2, and then I was always saying these new storages are S3 compatible. And then I had a URL come up. Wait, hold up. If they're S3 compatible, can't I use S3, the skipper S3 adapter? And I was like, what the? Like, I gotta try this. And then I did, and it just worked. For Cloudflare out to all I had to do was change the endpoint because the secret, the API, blah, 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 is still the same format. And that just like I said here, let's find it out. Um, on this page, Cloudflare out 2. So you could see all you have to do the same skipper S3 adapter, put your key, put your secret, put your bucket, and you just have to change the endpoint. This is the only thing you have to change to use skipper S for out 2. And it works. For digital ocean spaces, you need to the same thing. Blows my mind. So now three of the most like I think use Cloudinary is also supported. There's a community adapter for that. I don't use I haven't tested that. That's why it's not here. But if I test it out and it works, I'm going to keep adding like so that when you land on this page, your file upload needs to take you maximum 5 minutes or 2 minutes because you're done. Easy peasy. All right. So let's kick out on use form with uploads. This is going to be in Ascent because I don't think we're going to do file upload in Melo, but Ascent is definitely going to need file uploads. So delete. I think I've said this before in the video, but I kind of like because this was so frustrating to me why I couldn't send multiple files. Like, and the person using the borrowing stack to build their project, they were like trying to go tweak. So one thing I like to tell people, I know most things out there are fragile, and when something is wrong, like something's really wrong, but sales is so stable. Like anything that you probably need in an app, sales got you. You don't even need to touch any config. So if you're touching configs, you are going to middleware and all that in sales, you're probably doing something wrong. So when I saw that, I was like, no, dude, I don't think so. Are you serious? How can sales not be able to handle multi-file uploads and we use streams, node streams? That's not possible. Something else is wrong. So when I did a little digging and all that stuff, I found out that okay, the problem was the format inertia is trying to smartly detect and create the form data for you, but it's assuming a Laravel backend. So all I had to do was to massage it and tell it, dude, reuse the same name because we're JavaScript, we're Node, we're faster, we have streams, it's quicker, so we can reuse the stream. And that was it. But again, of course, I'm gonna make your life easy. I don't want you to write to have to transform your form data. I'll do it for you. Just use the hook. It's in your file. You could read it. You could edit it. You probably won't need to edit it, but if you want to, why not? Mhm. So yeah, we just transform. So all we're doing here, and of course, typical way, if you have text with files, you have to send the files first and text last. So this allow you to put file first in your UI or whatever you want to do. But at the end of the day, we're going to change the order. All right. Yeah. And that's it. Dope stuff. And then all I'm doing was I was extending use form. So I just pass back the same thing that you get from use form. The only thing that changed is this. So even the submit with uploads, I aliased it with submit. So if you want to do that, you could use submit form. I don't think you would have to do form dot submit because I always use dot post dot get dot put or dot password delete, right? And all that. So it was, mwah, I loved it. So yeah, I cannot wait to finish. I think it's gonna really take a while to build, but while I'm building it, I'm also working on Hackfish. We are shipping new features on Hackfish, like if you're a creator using it, you're going to get an email from me with all the new goodies that's going to come. They're going to make your invoicing life easy. So Hackfish, I get a lot of ideas for Hackfish for like what should, but that's what I like for open source tech. You should be abstracted from real world products because that's where you know you're building what matters. Okay. Yeah. The same way I've always managed it, right? Lenny, one thing at a time, one thing at a time, one thing at a time. So this my work on Ascent, and again, everything is connected, right? The way I like it. My work on Ascent is gonna make you know about Project 50 because when you see what can be built with the stack with something free, you'll probably be inclined to want to check out Project 50 and also like, maybe buy or you could pre-order. I don't know. But it's really going to be good because Project 50 is more. So Ascent is generic. There's nothing like it's just Ascent, but we're going to be 50 real products. And I already like the first product is already making me a little more excited, but we need to wait for Inertia 2.0 to come out because I really don't want to have to rewrite everything in 2.0. Like that's the issues with major releases, but Inertia 2.2 promises so much. So I want you all to have it in like there. So we're gonna wait for it to be stable, not the beta to be stable. So yeah, Ascent is like marketing for the project. It's more like giving you free stuff. It like I always say, give out the secrets, sell the implementation. So this is the secret. Like the borrowing stack is the projects in Project 50 is how I'm going to build it is the same way of the things you're going to give you for free with Ascend. But if you want a more tailored to like different 50 products and you want to see the code for like real world products in there, then you could check out. Yeah, so a couple of things I might not I won't have to rewrite a lot in the adapter, but I definitely will have to for some of the server changes. Let me v2 inertia JS. So for features like this one, where's the bad boy? Uh, so like deferred props, I probably would have to look at it because it has server side changes. You could see inertia defer. So I have to provide sales.inertia.defer. I don't know what the underlying, so I'll have to reverse engineer this one to find out how it works so that we could do that for the defer props. And then, okay, you could see it has defer groups. See, so we have to do this API. See, more work. So anyone that want to sponsor my open source work, please go to GitHub sponsor because sometimes when I think about the work, I'll be like, oh my God, why am I maintaining this? But it's gonna be fun. Oh, really? It has a oh, that's nice. So it has a oh, so they have set 4 and set 5. Now I have to migrate the boring stack to set 5. How much did it change though? Oh, that's one. We have runes. Ay ay ay. Oh my god. Well, anyways, I'm gonna just support set 5 anyways. Yeah. So the one other thing that might need, let's see the polling. Does the polling have a server-side thing? Oh, thank goodness. It doesn't have okay, it doesn't have a server-side. It's just client. So anything that's just client implemented, I don't need to do anything. But if it's server, prefetching should not be server. I don't think so. Yeah. Okay, cool. It's not server. Yep, it's not server, just client. So I don't have any implementation there. So my work in this backend would not be just to like update the new stuff and see what breaks. Load when visible. Yeah, all client. So we're good. Merging props. Okay, we're not good in this one. So we have to provide inertia.defer and inertia.merge for the so this is for infinite scroll implementation. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. Two new APIs. It's not bad. I don't hate it. Yeah, so Lenny, that's it. Progress indicator, self management. Yeah, I think that should be it though. Nothing changed in file uploads. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. So that's just it. Those two the things I need to change. All right. Blimey, is that the time we gotta go? Right? Yeah, I think I will. So I think every Friday I'm gonna. So I think Friday is gonna be like anything I'm working on at the time. Even when I do sales related, like there's an issue in the sales that I'm supposed to check. So when I do my triage and everything, I should stream it. I think streaming. So, like, what do you all think? Um, Streaming this time versus the afternoon, which is better? I think it's more chill. I think my network is more like better and it's all cool and it's silent. So I could do like starting 8:30 Nigerian time and do like up to 10:30, 11-ish, as much as I want to work and just stream for hours. Right? So yeah, I would definitely do that. Even when I'm working on the Mail Trap adapter, because I don't know if you catched it. Mail Trap sponsor, they're an email partner for sales mail. So um they they're sponsoring like working on sales mail, which is awesome. So they just make my life a little bit easy. So I'm gonna add them as a transport. Currently you could already use it. You could only use them when you do SMTP. Okay. 8:30 at night looks perfect. So streams are scheduled for 8:30 at night. So yeah, I will do. So it's so yeah, I will probably work on Mail Trap. Probably I can't do that on stream because I will do it during the week. but probably if you're interested, I will show you the implementation in Sales Hook Mail. And so there's something I'm thinking about, Lenny. What do you think of? So you know how in the in Sales Hook ORM we we also expose the underlying um the database adapter. So the clients we're using we also expose it. So I think maybe like there's always the expose. So what do you think if we could also expose, so instead of using sales hook, so sales.helpers.send, you also have access to something like sales.mail dot mail trap, which is going to be like the instance of the mail trap client that you could call whatever. So now I don't know if I want to give you that escape hatch, because now you have one API. I think the simplicity of giving you sales.helpers.mail.send is kind of easy. But what if you want access to the underlying client? Because the clients can do things more than just sending email. They can also, I think there's also like add to list, like maybe for vSend, for example, or wherever to give you to add to list. So do you think we should expose those clients? So for, but now the problem is, okay, there's no problem though. The problem is it might be if you have multiple mailers. So even the node mailers, well, we could also expose the client, right? Or should we call it? I don't know. Should we call it sales.mail.client? So I'm still thinking if I want to expose it or not, or what benefit it will be. So just an idea I'm riffing on. But it's not pressing. We could always touch it later. Okay, wow, we are 236 folks in here. I should check. Hope you all did give it a star. No one has given it a star yet, though, guys. What's going on? Star it. But anywho, maybe start later. All right, so we're going to call it for tonight. This has been fun. Yeah, right. That's what I thought as well, because I like the simplicity of just doing sales.helpers.mail.send. I like the simplicity. I like this API. So this API, I like it a lot. So that's the whole idea for sales mail. Very simple. See, I like this API. Clean. That's the only thing you have to remember. So I don't know. See if anyone requested though. But I think, yeah. But we're probably gonna leave it like this because that's what we need you to do. Because now sales.mail.send is already assuming where to get the email templates from, saving you a lot of work. But if you do that yourself, and I've never had to do the database underlying database client before in the ORM, it's probably not a good idea to do it. I don't know. Let's see. So anywho, guys, we we gotta call it. We call it for the night. This has been fun. I'm glad the stream went well today. And yeah. So there are no questions. Without any further ado, we gotta call it for tonight. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Lenny. Where did I keep that one? Let me see if there's yeah, it's going to be a what's great, but if because I can maybe add more. Yeah, I think yeah. So for now, we support just .send. So maybe we should support. So depending, not all providers, I don't know, but most provide maybe they do make you like have a list. So for example, right, with the waitlist for doing, hmm, you can, instead of saving it to your database, you can call, which is something I think they would do, right? If you're doing the database that you have to export, you can call maybe resend or matrap and just send add it to that list. and don't even save to your database, right? So now we do sales.helpers.mail add to list, something like that. But I think so. This is also making me rethink my approach for waitlist. The simple path is to let you have it in your database, but we might probably have like a doc on how to just send it to like one of your email provider list. Because when you see your database, I feel you could just export it anytime, to CSV, and then send to your email provider. But let's see. Anywho, this has been fun. I got to call it, guys. Thank you all for joining, all 239 of you, and the how many number of you on YouTube. See you all in the next one. Um, yeah, see you on the next one. Where is it? So yeah, see you on the next one. Bye. I don't I don't hate it.